Yo, it's your boy Chef Hardcore. About to drop these Alfredo facts. Listen up in the kitchen. Let's get this pasta stacked. Start with your chicken breast, slice it nice and clean. Season with salt and pepper, make that protein meat. Garlic powder, Italian herbs, that's how we roll. Heat up that skillet hot, that's how we rock and scroll. Olive oil in the pan, watch that shimmer shine. Throw that chicken in there, hear that sizzle line. Cook it golden brown, don't you dare overcook. Real cheese, no timing's everything. Take a look, cooking up that Alfredo. What? Straight from the streets to the plate, yo. Creamy sauce, so smooth and slow. This is how real cheese make it flow. Remove that chicken, set aside with pride. Now for that sauce that's gonna make them slide. Heavy cream in the pan, that's your liquid gold. Butter melting in there, that's a story untold. Fresh minced garlic, about 6 cloves deep. Saute that stuff till your neighbors weep. Add Parmesan cheese, make it rain all day. Stir that sauce up, that's the gangster way. Pour your fettuccine, al dente. Soak that water heavily, that's right. Cook it perfect, test it plenty. Word. Real cheese don't serve no mushy pasta seed. Drain them noodles, save some pasta water. Add to the sauce if it needs to get softer. Slice that chicken, lay it on real nice. Mix with the pasta once, mix with the pasta twice. Hit it with basil, fresh from the garden crop. Little more cheese on the top, watch it pop. Black pepper crack fresh, that's the final touch. Real ones know this recipe slaps too much. And that's how we do it in my kitchen set. Alfredo game proper, no need to sweat. If anyone tells you different, they ain't legit. Chef Hardcore, out your dinner's gonna be lit. Remember fam, always grate your cheese fresh. Pre-grated stuff is for suckers, that's no finesse. And don't you dare use no jarred sauce in here, that's a violation. That'll cost you your career.